Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Who is the author of the book The Rise of the Hitman, the Rohit Sharma story? Right answer is option C, R. Kaushik. Who has written the book Justice Denied, Justice Lost, published in August 2025? Right answer is option A, Kanchan Chakraborty. Who has authored the biography M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India? Right answer is option B, Priyambada Jaykumar. Who is the author of the book The Conscience Network? Right answer is option B, Sujata Srinivasaraju. Who wrote Gunned Down, Murder of an Olympic Champion? Right answer is option C, Sandeep Misra. The book India's First Radicals, Young Bengal and the British Empire is authored by whom? Right answer is option A, Rosinka Chaudhary. Who is the author of the book The Diary of a Cricketer's Wife, a very unusual memoir? Right answer is option C, Pooja Pujara. Who wrote Modi's Niti Shastra, The World's His Oyster? Right answer is option A, Adish C. Agarwala. Who is the author of the book Test Cricket, A History? Right answer is option D, Tim Wigmore. The book India 5000 Years of History on the Subcontinent is written by which author? Right answer is option A, Audrey Truschke. The debut novel The Stars Light the Way, published in June 2025, is authored by whom? Right answer is option A, Sucheta Raj Khanna. Who is the author of India's Finance Minister's Different Strokes 1998 to 2014? Right answer is option C, A.K. Bhattacharya. जनता की कहानी मेरी आत्मकथा has been written by which Indian politician? Correct answer is option A, Bandaru Dattatreya. Who has written the book The Chief Minister and the Spy? Correct answer is option A, Amarjit Singh Dulat. Who is the author of the book PMO, Prime Minister's Office Through the Years? Correct answer is option B, Himanshu Roy. Who has written The New Icon, Savarkar and the Facts? Right answer is option D, Arun Shourie. Who authored the book Beyond the Courtroom? Right answer is option B, Fali S. Nariman. Who is the author of Parvat Shiromani Bhagat Singh Koshyari? Right answer is option C, Madan Mohan Sati. Who launched Gopichand Hinduja's autobiography I Am? Right answer is option A, Jagdeep Dhankar. I Have the Streets, a Kutti cricket story is the autobiography of which Indian cricketer? Right answer is option A, R. Ashwin. Who wrote the book March of Glory, launched in March 2025? Right answer is option C, K. Arumugam. The author of Eminent Distorians, Twists and Truths is whom? Right answer is option A, Utpal Kumar. Jenny Erpenbeck received the 2024 International Booker Prize for which novel? Correct answer is option A, Kairos. Who has translated the book The India I Saw, A Glimpse into the Life of S. Ambujamal? Right answer is option D, Sriram V. Who has co authored the political thriller book Original Sin? Correct answer is option B, Jake Tapper and Alex Thompson. Who has authored the book The Winner's Mindset? Correct answer is option B, Shane Watson. The book The Scientist Entrepreneur Empowering Millions of Women is written by whom? Right answer is option A, Kalpana Sankar. For which book was Suryabala received the 34th Vyas Samman? Right answer is option D, Kaun Desh Ko Vasi Venu Ki Diary. What is the title of Syed Kirmani's autobiography? Correct answer is option C, Stumped. Who is the author of the book A Journey from Black Gold to White Gold? Correct answer is option D, Kuldeep Gupta. Who has written the book titled To the Seventh Generation? Correct answer is option B, Dr. V.I. Mathan. How India Scaled Mount G20 was authored by which Indian diplomat? Right answer is option C, Amitabh Kant. Who released the book Indian Renaissance Modi Decade? Right answer is option A, Amit Shah. The book Leo, The Untold Story of Chennai Super Kings is written by whom? Right answer is option D, P.S. Raman. Who authored The Great Conciliator, Lal Bahadur Shastri and the Transformation of India? Right answer is option B, Sanjeev Chopra. The book Chonk on Food, Economics and Society was written by which Nobel laureate? Right answer is option A, Abhijit Banerjee. Bring It On, The Incredible Story of My Life is the autobiography of which renowned Indian para athlete? Right answer is option B, Deepa Malik. Who penned the book titled My Beloved Life? Right answer is option B, Amitva Kumar. The book Witness, launched in October 2024, is the autobiography of which Indian athlete? Right answer is option A, Sakshi Malik. Who is the author of the book Friends, India's Closest Strategic Partners? Right answer is option D, Sriram Cholia. Who wrote the book Tipu Sultan, The Saga of the Mysore Interregnum? Right answer is option A, Vikram Sampath. Speaking with Nature, The Origins of Indian Environment is authored by whom? Right answer is option C, Ramachandra Guha. Phul Bahadur, the first Magahi novel, was translated into English by whom? Right answer is option B, Abhay K. Who is the author of the book Beyond the Higgs Boson? Right answer is option A, Manik Kotwal. Who received the 2025 Shakti Bhatt Prize for the Lucky Ones? Right answer is option D, Zara Chaudhary. Who wrote the book Confessions of a Shakespeare Addict? Right answer is option B, V.S. Ravi. Who authored Das Paise Ka Postcard, launched in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Captain S.N. Ahmed. Which ministry launched the Chhota Bheem comic in August 2025 to promote children's education? Right answer is option B, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Who is the author of In Praise of Coalition Politics and Other Essays on Indian Democracy? Right answer is option A, Manoj K. Jha. Who unveiled the coffee table book May a Million Buds Bloom based on Project Nanhi Kali in August 2025? Right answer is option D, Anand Mahindra. The book Believer's Dilemma, based on the life of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, is authored by whom? Correct answer is option A, Abhishek Chaudhary. Who authored the book Why the Constitution Matters, published recently? Right answer is option A, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. What is the name of the Kannada short story that won the International Booker Prize 2025, authored by Banu Mushtaq? Right answer is option B, Heart Lamp. Who authored the book titled Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? Right answer is option B, Srinath Raghavan. Diya Salai is the autobiography of which Nobel Prize laureate? Right answer is option B, Kailash Satyarthi. Who is the author of the motivational book Win the Battle of Your Mind? Right answer is option B, Rita Ramamurthy Gupta. What is the title of the book on mathematician Ramanujan, co authored by Arun Singhal and Devendra Kumar Sharma? Right answer is option D, Ramanujan, Journey of a Great Mathematician. Who received the 2024 Sahitya Academy Award in English for the book Spirit Nights? Correct answer is option D, Easterine Kair. Which Indian author won the Pen Translates Award for Once Elephants Lived Here? Right answer is option B, Geetanjali Shri. Who wrote the book titled Life on Mars Collected Stories? Right answer is option A, Namita Gokhale. Which book was written by S. Jayashankar in 2024? Right answer is option C, Why Bharat Matters. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for the novel Orbital? Correct answer is option B, Samantha Harvey. Who authored the biography titled Ratan Tata A Life? Right answer is option B, Thomas Matthew. In which language did Chaman Arora receive the Sahitya Academy Award 2024? Correct answer is option C, Dogri language. Who was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award 2024 for Hindi literature? Correct answer is option B, Gagan Gill. Who is the writer of the book The World After Gaza? Right answer is option B, Pankaj Mishra. Who wrote the book Dalai Lama's Secret to Happiness? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Dinesh Shahra. The autobiography titled The One, Cricket My Life and More has been written by which Indian cricketer? Right answer is option D, Shikhar Dhawan. Who is the author of the book The Idea of Democracy? Correct answer is option B, Sam Pitroda. Who is the author of the autobiography Source Code My Beginnings? Right option is C, Bill Gates. Which writer received the Pen Pinter Prize 2024 for her unflinching and unswerving writings? Right answer is option A, Arundhati Roy. Who is the author of the book Secession of the Successful, The Flight Out of New India? Right answer is option B, Sanjaya Baru. Who has written the book Woman, Life, Freedom, published in June 2025? Right answer is option B, Chaura Makaremi. Who is the author of the book History That India Ignored, released by Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh in June 2025? Right answer is option A, Prem Prakash. Who released the book The Emergency Diaries Years That Forged a Leader? Right answer is option A, Amit Shah. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.